Jai Sri Gurudev. Dear children, good morning to everybody. I am fine. I hope you are all safe by staying home. Dear students, in this class we should be discussing about triangles. What do you mean by triangle? Triangle is a simple closed figure forming with three sides. Okay, so when it is forming with the three sides it is having that is three angles also. Yes, so based on that, in our topic is we are having the similar triangles. What do you mean by similar? Similarity is nothing but is two figures. When you are comparing the two figures, it is having the same shape. Okay, same size is not required. Yes, so the two figures they are having the same shape means is that two figures can be called as a similarity figures. Okay, while taking the any polygons. Yes, while comparing the two polygons. If they are having the same shape, yes, same shape, such type of the figures or such type of the polygons can be called as a similar polygons. For example, while taking a rectangle, yes, so it is a ABCD is a rectangle, yes, as well as PQRS is also a rectangle, yes. So while taking the PQRS is ABCD. These both also having the same shape. Means is they are having the same shape, no? So that's why the two figures can be called as a similar polygons. Yes. So while coming to the triangles also similar triangles. Yes. So what is the similarity of the two triangles is the two triangles is having the same angles. Okay. It's having the two properties. What is the first property means is the two figures is also having the same angles, and second one is the two sides. When you are comparing the sides of that is it's having the same ratio. Okay, so for example, I am taking as a ABC is a one triangle and DEF is also a one of the triangle. Okay, while comparing these two triangles, here ABC in that is and DEF, angle A is equals to angle D. Yes, angle A is equals to angle D. Is how many degrees that is? 30 degrees. Okay, as well as angle B. Angle B is equals to angle E. How much are having that is? 70 degrees. As well as angle C is equals to angle F is 80 degrees. Yes. So see that is according to our first condition is it is satisfied, no? Yes, all the angles are equal. Means is angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. Okay, first condition is satisfied. As well as second condition. What is the second condition is corresponding their sides are in proportion. Okay, so ABC what they have the sides is and DF what they have the sides, their ratio must be the same. Okay, so for that is AB by in this triangle is DE, that is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means is 1 by 2, no? Yes. So next one BC by EF is equals to 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Next one is AC by DF. AC by DF. How much are having there? 3 by 6 is equals to 1 by 2. So the students is AB by DE value how much you got it? 1 by 2. BC by EF also 1 by 2 and AC by DF also you are having that 1 by 2. Means is corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Yes, then we can say that it is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. Yes. So this is a property of the similarity triangles. Dear students, we are going to the next one is a Thales theorem or is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, it's a very important. Okay, so this theorem, yes, everyone also will know that this theorem is consisting of 5 parts. Okay, first one is a statement, Okay, next is data or is a given. Next is to prove. Next anything is required to prove. We have to do that is construction. Next is proof. Okay, so first we are going to the statement of the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so what is it? Statement of the basic proportionality theorem means is if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Okay, once again, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides. Okay, when we are drawing that line, it can be intersected to other two sides. No, as the two sides intersect at distinct points. Different points will be intersected that is. As the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, as that is right. See that is I am taking as a triangle ABC. Okay, I am drawing the DE is a parallel line to the one side. One side means is a BC. Means is DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so it is intersecting the 2 points. Now here is D and E, distinct points is. As so it is distinct. It is a intersecting at 2 distinct points. Okay. Next, this is a given statement. What you want to prove that is DE is dividing other two sides in the same ratio. Means is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Okay, what do you want to prove that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. We want to prove that is. Okay, now first what we want to do that means is given data we have to be write it now. Okay, so in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, that is a given data. Yes. Now to prove, what do you want to prove that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. We want to prove that is. Okay. Next, to prove this one is we have to do the sum of the constructions. Okay. So what we want to do the construction is means is DF is perpendicular to AC. Means is draw DF is perpendicular to AC. Next, join. We are joining that BE and DC. We are joining that BE and DC. Join BE and DC. Okay, so next triangle ADE is so base is equals to AD and height is equals to EG. Okay, then area of triangle ADE is of base into height, that is of AD into EG. Yes. So then another triangle, what is another triangle? BDE. In triangle BDE, here is base we are considered as a BD and height we are considered as a EG. Okay, then opposite is area of triangle BDE is equals to of base into height. Yes, what is the base in that is of BD into EG. Okay, then we have to divide both equations. What is that is area of triangle ADE. Next, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equals to what we are having that here is 1 by 2 into AD into EG by 1 by 2 into BD into EG. Okay, so what we are having the same is you have to do cancellation that is. Yes, then what we are having that is remaining is AD by BD. Okay, you have to be considered this is the equation 1. Okay, next. Okay, now we got this AD by DB means is a AD by DB. This will be got it now, as well as AE by EC is required. Okay, similarly, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is equals to what we are getting, that means is 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 into base is AE into height will becomes is DF by 1 by 2 into here is base will becomes is EC into height will becomes is same DF. By cancelling that, what are getting, that means is AE by EC. Okay, this is equation 2. Okay, next see one is BDE, it means this triangle, and DEC, this triangle, both also having the same base DE. Okay, means is triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on the same base between the same parallel. Okay, are in the same base and between same parallel lines. Same parallel lines. Okay, so therefore area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle DEC. Okay, when we are having both areas will become equal, means is then triangle BDE is similar to triangle DEC. Okay, so when we are having that there is similar triangles, means is their corresponding sides are the proportion, no? Yes, from equation 1, 2, 3, from equation 1, 2 and 3, what should be get, means is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Okay, so this is a required proof of the basic proportionality theorem. Hope that you are all understand this concept. If you have any doubt regarding this class, please contact to me. Wash your hands by using soap or hand wash at least 20 seconds once. Wear the masks while going outside. Wherever you go, maintain social distance. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.